Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, in today's video, first of all, don't mind my voice, I've just woken up. And in today's video, we're gonna be doing a weekend in my life, Sunday in my life, a day in my life. Jo maanna maan lo. I actually had a makeup video planned, and that was a makeup challenge, but I don't really have the time to film it abhi, and I start my college tomorrow. Like introduction class हो चुकी है Friday को, but वो सिर्फ 2 सब्जेक्ट्स की हुई है. ऑफिशियली प्रॉपर टाइम टेबल से कल कॉलेज शुरू हो रहा है. एंड पीपल थिंक कि वीकेंड इज सपोज टू बी चिल, राइट? संडे फ्री होना चाहिए, बट माई संडे गोज हेक्टिक. I think twice more hectic than my weekdays. So I'll walk you through my day today, and I hope you don't get bored. So without any further ado, let's get started. So before starting my day, I always plan it out. Now I slept very late last night, so इसलिए मैं आज late उठी हूँ. Otherwise I try waking up at around 8 or 9. अभी it's I think 11. And I got freshened up, and now I'm waiting for my breakfast. Till the timing I'll plan my day, and I have one session to take at 12. That's gonna be for the freshers. I have to take the mentoring session, just give them an introduction of how the curriculum is gonna be like. Then I have to take a doubt session for the previous mentees which I had, from I think around 2 to 3. So I have a 1 hour break, because 12 to 1, then 2 to 3. So I don't even know when I'm gonna shower. And then I am a mentee in another society, so I have a session from 3 to 5 there. That's gonna be for the data structures part, and I think I have to attend a special workshop for an internship around 5 or 6 maybe. And then at around 9 there is another session, and that my mentor is conducting. So I know it's a lot of mentor mentee, but yeah, I think I have that webinar at 9 today, so I have to attend that as well. I think 4 or 5 meetings, and other than that I also have to work, like मेरा खुद का personal work, and I have to get my moral support prepared for college starting. That's tomorrow. So yeah, I'll have to wake up early in the morning tomorrow, dude. That's one thing which I am really sucking at these days. I don't know, because like my sleep schedule has been hampered a lot. Initially it wasn't. I was always an early riser, but these days I don't know. I'm sorry about the construction noise that's gonna go on for the entire day, so already sorry about that. So initially I used to sleep around 12, and I used to wake up around 6 or 7. Like, I don't know how I had the energy to do that. Especially it's winters now, I cannot wake up. Like, बहुत मुश्किल होता है मेरे को, किसी को ज़बरदस्ती आके मुझे उठाना पड़ता है if I have to wake up early. I asked my mom to wake me up early today as well, but today I wasn't feeling well when I woke up, so I went on and slept again. So yeah, I'll have some breakfast. I'll write down everything I'm supposed to do today, and yeah, we'll get started. Not very excited about the day because there's a lot of work to do, but enjoy the video. Hi guys, it's around 1. Last आपने जो वीडियो देखी थी उसमें I was waiting for people to join the Google Meet, and apparently I had to terminate the session because there was low attendance, and मैं नहीं चाहती थी कि बाकियों का टाइम वेस्ट हो. दोनों ने मेरा टाइम वेस्ट कर दिया. But anyways, we're done with that, and अब 2 o'clock I have to take another session, and I'm feeling too cold. I think I'll skip showering today. And मुझे लगा था कि मैं जल्दी उठ के अपनी वीडियो बना लूँगी अपने इंस्टाग्राम पेज के लिए, बट आई डोंट नो, आई एम नॉट फीलिंग लाइक मेकिंग वन. और अभी मेरे पास टाइम भी नहीं है. आई जस्ट रियलाइज़ कि मैंने एक चीज़ मिस कर दी. आई हैव अनदर सेशन एट 6. तो अभी 2 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, then 9 to 10. And it's 1, and I have zero energy in me right now. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know why I've gotten myself into so many things. But okay, you're not complaining. You're gonna attend the session, and you're just gonna see how you're gonna see me complain for the entire day. So I'll see you later, maybe.
Guys, we'll be starting in 5 minutes. Till then, you can ask your friends to join in from Lean In. And if you have any doubt regarding anything, you can unmute yourself and ask.
Hi guys, welcome back. And I had my lunch. Okay, let me give you a brief. आपने जो भी वीडियोस देखी पीछे, I think I told you that I am going to prepare for the session and I'm going to take it. I did. वो आधे घंटे में ख़त्म हो गया because a lot of people didn't join in, तो ज़्यादा लोगों को doubts नहीं थे. तो I had the doubt session, then I had my lunch, and I think you've seen the snippet of it. And अब 3 बज गया, which means the next session which I have, and as you can see I am sitting in the same place since morning. It's 4:30. मैं लिटरली एवरी मीटिंग में बता के बोली हाय मेरी मीटिंग ख़त्म होगी और हो गया काम और कुछ नहीं कर रही मैं इस व्लॉग में. आई डोंट नो इफ दिस व्लॉग्स गोना बी इंटरेस्टिंग और नॉट, बट आई थॉट आई डॉक्यूमेंट बिकॉज मेरे को कई बार लोगों ने बोला है डे इन माई लाइफ के लिए. एंड इफ़ यू हियरिंग सम आवाज़ तो माई सिस्टर स्लीपिंग एंड मेरे लैपटॉप के फ़ैन की आवाज़ है बिकॉज आई बिन वर्किंग ऑन माई लैपटॉप सिंस मॉर्निंग, तो उसकी हालत ख़राब है. तो अब आई हैव हाफ एन आवर बिफोर द नेक्स्ट सेशन. So what I'll do is I'll go wash my face because I'm super sleepy and I don't want to sleep. I have to work, so I won't work right now because आधा घंटा ब्रेक चाहिए मेरे दिमाग को जिससे कि मैं अगले सेशन में आके खोल के बैठ सकूँ. तो I'll go wash my face, I'll do my hair जो मैं सुबह से कह रही हूँ कि मैं करूँगी लेकिन मैंने करा नहीं है. And I might get a little ready because मेरे को उससे ना कुछ अच्छा लगता है. तो just थोड़ा सा स्किन पैम्पर एंड वो सब करके and we'll attend the next session. I look cute. Hi guys, it's around 7:20 now and अभी वो वाला जो पहले वाला सेशन था वो ख़त्म हो गया था. आई हैड सम चाय एंड समथिंग टू ईट बिकॉज मेरे अंदर बिल्कुल ज़ीरो एनर्जी है अभी. एंड अब सिर्फ एक सेशन बचा है, थैंक गॉड. इट्स फ्रॉम 9 o'clock. अभी तक आई एम डूइंग सम कोडिंग प्रैक्टिस बिकॉज आई हैड एन एम टू फिनिश इतना पार्ट आज. I'll finish that and उसके बाद रात को I'll work on my internship का project because thankfully I have flexible hours so I can manage it according to my schedule, but I do have an aim to complete some part today, so I will somehow finish it. I don't know how will I have the energy to be awake, but I'll manage somehow and I'll again sleep at around 2-3 बजे बिकॉज कल से हम स्टार्टिंग कॉलेज तो और मुश्किल होने मैनेज करना बिकॉज शेड्यूल सेम है बट अलॉन्ग विथ क्लासेस. सो एंड दिस टाइम आई एम गोना बी अ लिटिल मोर सीरियस इन कॉलेज बिकॉज मैंने लास्ट सेमेस्टर बहुत क्लासेस ट्रिप करी हैं. हाय गाइस, सो एज यू कैन प्रॉब्ली टेल आई लुक लाइक अ मैस बिकॉज मैंने हेडफोन्स पहने हुए थे एंड मेरे बालों की हालत ख़राब हो गई उससे. बट आई एम फाइनली डन विद ऑल द मीटिंग्स ऑफ द डे. इट हैज़ बिन अ क्रेज़ी संडे. लाइक मेरा संडे कभी इतना भी क्रेज़ी नहीं जाता बट आई डोंट नो आज थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया. सो आई एम फाइनली डन विद द लास्ट मीटिंग. आई स्टिल हैव टू स्टडी बिकॉज मेरा दिन का एजेंडा ख़त्म नहीं हुआ है, अभी सिर्फ मीटिंग्स ख़त्म हुई हैं. सो आई प्रॉब्ली बी अवेक टिल 2-3, आई डोंट नो हाउ लॉन्ग, बट या इट्स 10:30 एंड मेरी अभी मीटिंग बंद हुई तो मैंने अब लैपटॉप बंद कर तो मैंने अपना लैपटॉप बंद कर दिया थोड़ी देर के लिए बिकॉज I've been on screen from 12 PM. I think मैंने 11:30 सेशन का प्रेपरेशन शुरू किया था. So I've been on screen since 11:30 AM and it's 10:30, so almost 11 hours, and that's not good for my eyes. So I decided I'll take a break and abhi 10:30 I'll chill out till 11 and then I'll start working again because obviously I need to finish तभी मैं सोऊंगी. So I'm gonna chill out and I'm not gonna have a screen time थोड़ी देर, फिर इसके बाद करते हैं. Hi guys, it's 1 AM. 1 है ना? 1:15. It's 1:15 and I am finally done with everything that I planned. मैंने पूरी to do list काट दी अपनी and now I can literally relate to the audio. वो जो वो नहीं है I'm alive but I'm dead. I'm alive but I'm dead. मेरा literally वो वाला हाल है. So this would be one of the most hectic Sundays I've had. But I have hectic Sundays. But yeah, as well as ज़्यादा था. So I hope you guys liked the video. In case you did, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Like, I don't know why some people wanted to know a day in my life. This is what a day in my life looks like. This is what a real day in my life looks like. जो वो influencer shit that happens one day in a week, and बाकी के सब दिन मैं ऐसे होती हूँ. And people have declared that I'm a machine and not an insan. So we're gonna continue doing that. Good night. Bye. Shut up. Hey guys.